The simplest, cheapest sketchbook you can possibly make in your classroom requires manila folders and a stack of printer paper. I encourage students to decorate their folders inside and out, covering every surface, and the best material for this is collage paper, scrapbook paper, things they can rip up, glue down, and combine images together to create a new image. This can turn into this. For this project, students are required to cover every surface of the manila folder. I allow them to use any material in the art room. It gives them a chance to familiarize themselves with where materials are, and it gives them the chance to experiment with a new material if they decide to do that. There are certain things they can't use. They can't use oil paint, supplies that I am limited on or that I've set aside for advanced level classes. I often teach this project in my intro-level art class, and because of that, many students haven't learned a lot of art techniques and they lean into collage. I tell them to flip through magazines and pull out any color, pattern, design, or subject matter that interests them. They can cut these out, rip them up, and then glue them together. Once they finish their sketchbook design, it's up to them. If they want to put any words on it, they can put their name on the front, the name of the class, the word sketchbook. I leave that up to them. After that, we are adding paper. You can either hole punch your folder and hole punch your paper, or you can staple it together. Having a heavy-duty stapler is really helpful for this. In my example, I added blank paper. I wrote a quote on the first page, which I also require my students to do. It's kind of their mantra for the class of the year, some motivational song lyric or quote to help encourage and inspire them in this class. In my example, I also added sketchbook prompts where they have a prompt at the top of the page and they create the drawing at the bottom of the page. This is part of my sketchbook prompt pack that I have on my TPT store and my website, and you can even click the link in my bio and see a link to the product there. This project is so fun, easy, and a very cheap way to make sketchbooks in your class. Conserve that precious budget. Don't spend it on sketchbooks. Have students make them themselves, and I swear my students have more buy-in when they're working in a book that they created themselves and that they're proud of.